Hi my dear friends, today also I brought another nice makeup set, all in one makeup set for women, makeup set for teens, makeup gift for girls, teen, women, travel makeup kit, makeup gift for women, girls. It is about 49 US dollars and it is a nice one which is in multicolor. About this item, it is comprehensive set and versatile shades, premium brushes, portable and organized, gift ready. It's a nice one. We'll check these photos. I think it is 20 colors of eyeshadow and also nice eyeshadow, cosmetic brush, lip gloss, cosmetic brush, everything is available. And these colors, see this perfect color combination for all occasions, and also nice delicate eye makeup, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, and everything is available here. What is this one also, lamilla. It's, see the contrast before and after. It's a very nice one. Finally you can see this total set available here, a very nice one. I think you will love this, a nice one, all in one makeup set. It is available in Amazon, so I request you to come to my link and buy one for me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.